Hello. Oral presentation English level 2. Number 1. Introduce myself. 2. Tell about my trip experience in Barichara, Santander. 3. The weather in Barichara, Santander. 4. Recommendation if you go to Barichara, Santander. Stage 1. My name is RosaLilianaMelendez Lopez. I am a student in University UNAT. Barichara, Santander. I am previous vacation in the Barichara, Santander. With my husband, we went to see the beautiful landscape that comes from there. We visited different places like the Cathedral in the Immaculada Concepción, Royal Road, Chapel of Santa Barbara, Bee Point, and Barichara. This place in the wonderful, this local next to the Church of Santa Barbara, and from is the strange you can take my photos there where we can show the beautiful stream Barichara and the main park. There is parking lot for cars. I could see a variety of fast and the typical foods of the region of will also and candy shop in the reality in the wonderful place. Visited in the Cathedral of Immaculada Concepción. It is the beautiful cathedral where you will live with my blessings. Stroll along the Camino Real, here you will find the beautiful natural in the scarf company and the very good climb. Out activities sure cannot and the swim with the form. You can also visit the park of the rats here you film and sample our skunk carving with and the song. I also recommended to the visited Barichara viewpoint. You can enjoy cool and the with enjoy beautiful land of the Canyo Chicamocho. Visiting the Isaias Ardila Museo is the small but very interesting. We also think the house of Emiliana Pradilla is an excellent historical place that is with and recommend us visits the shopping, where they can hard shopping to the round, hot shopping and variety of days, shoes, candy and craft on the excellent attention. They shall be will visit and the beautiful tan Barichara hips up, bring lice cloth, bring umbrella and secret. They shall not carry boots, lock, pants, carpets, jackets, since the of place.